I got is this really nice lounge basic two-piece. Actually, you can buy it like separately, but I really like that it's like matching set. And this one is kind of a legging, and it's ribbed material. This crop top, you can just wear it by itself, but I really like to like lounge in the house with this kind of style. And it has pockets, it's really comfy, it's not too hot, and it's like perfect for fall and like inside the house kind of. That's what I bought it for. And I got it also in black, this one, and his top also the same material. So I love this material, especially around this time of year. And like I can just live with this. Seriously, it's just so comfortable to wear it around the house, even outside. I paired it with these shoes, but I'm not sure, just kind of a vibe. I think this one was 35, and I'm in the size small in both. I think I could go medium if I wanted to be like more oversized. And the top I got in the size small as well. The top is $17.90. Okay, I got this ribbed crop top as well. I love this color. I love the material. I love how it looks. It looks so good and feels amazing. It's definitely a keeper. And this short skirt is last year, but it's also from Zara, but it's not from this haul. Just to try it with this skirt, but this is not like how I would style it. I'll probably style it differently, but yeah, I just wore it just for reference. I love this top. Definitely a keeper. I got as well in this color, in a grayish color, and it's also $17.90, $18, okay? I'm obsessed with this greenish color. It's so trendy and so pretty. So as you see, I will just go through with all of this right here. I have some others that it's like on the side because I try them on and they don't look good, so I will just return them. I'll show you what I like and maybe return, maybe not. So I also got this greenish sweater, the same color. So pretty as well, and I'm gonna show you, like, it's really hard today to show you like stuff that I'm getting for fall winter time, but it's okay. So this is another thing I got, this top sweater kind of. I love this oversized sweater, like the material, and it just looks so nice and oversized and just can go with anything. Another beautiful top, which is square neck. I love this top. This is gonna be like a staple with so many outfits. I can like style that and layered with so many other things, even leather jackets and stuff. It's just so bomb. I love this one. It's also $17.90. I think that's a keeper. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, that was actually a little bit hard to wear, but I love the high neck rib tank top. I love it. I love the color of it. And this one just, I think, a keeper too. I just need to check how much is it. It's $9.90. It's a keeper. It's under $10, and this top would be just a staple. This is so good. Can go with so many things, and I love it. Okay, so I have this top on, which I am obsessed. This is like a strapless leather material, light brown, kind of a nude, not even brown. So the zipper is on the side. It can be stretchy, and it's very comfortable to wear. Oh, by the way, I have this the same crop top, high neck top in a white, and it's also $9.90, $10, and this is definitely a keep too. Wow, this top is definitely a keeper. I love it so much. I know in the camera it looks like what the heck because I'm not styling it well. Okay, this is not what I would wear it with. I would wear it with a white skirt, I think so, and a white boots. So I think these boots would be nice. But yeah, I mean, on the camera it doesn't look that good, but look at that. Look at that. Look at these colors. I am obsessed with these colors. Just have this pink and blue and greenish and all the pastel, but in a sweater material vest. It's so trendy. Definitely a keeper. And the price is $35.90. Another beautiful top, and I am obsessed. It's the sweater material crop top. Wow. Just look at this bow right here. It's like so stunning. I love it. I love how it looks. It feels amazing on the skin. It's not like too hard. Beautiful. I would wear it with like a black long pants. I mean, I feel like you can style it so many different ways. Like on top, this on top of like long white shirt, like oversized white shirt, and this on top. I saw that. I saw like it's very trendy and it looks amazing. But you can also wear it like that, and it's beautiful. The price is $29.90. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think I like it. This top is also really, really beautiful. Ribbed material, high neck, no sleeve, and I mean this color is like a light lilac color. It looks amazing on them. I didn't know like how it's gonna look, but this just feels good. It has a different kind of material, sweater material. Price is $29.90. 30 for that. Okay, this vest top, the sweater material, and you can even see like the details is so gorgeous, so fall vibe, and I feel like I can wear it like on top of a big white shirt as well. Like I said, I think this would be just beautiful. Even like that, it's beautiful. Like you can just go like that and like a very short jeans or like black skirt, like floaty black skirt. That would be nice. And then just a high knee boots. It would be just amazing. And the price on that is also $39.90. 40 for this vest, and I think I'm gonna keep it because it's so unique in the color and it's just a vibe. Okay, this top, it's a very dark blue and it feels so soft on the skin, ribbed material sweater, and I think it's a keeper. I can wear it also on top of a white shirt or just like that, and I am obsessed. This is $19.90. $20 for this top. Wow, oh my god, this top is like almost the same color as this skirt, and this skirt is, as I said, from last year, but also from Zara. But this is like almost the same material. They're both leather. I think I like it. I mean, I should have taken probably a size a bit bigger. Probably, yeah, just small, but I think it's fine. It's not like killing me or something. It has like a lot of room, and yeah, I think I like it. I can actually wear it with this jacket, the flannel jacket, which I got also in this haul, and it's in the size small, and it's kind of all oversized flannel jacket, and I think I would like to style it with this. Like I could actually style it with this skirt and then this flannel, and these boots are just a vibe. I love it. And this flannel jacket is, how much is it? $69.90, $70. And this crop top is $35.90. I like this color. And there was another color, like a greenish color. I didn't know if I want to get it, but I love it. Okay, wow, I love this top. It's so freaking cute. I am obsessed with this detail and a pearl detail in here. You can just see that it's a high-end sweater. By the way, the same purple top in purple lilac color. I have it in cream color, which I think it's so beautiful, and it's gonna go with everything. And this black one, it's just like the brown high neck. It's also $9.90. So this black one is also ribbed, and those are sweater material. I'm not gonna try them on because I already tried the other one and I know I like it, so it's just different color. And I'm gonna try this one. It's actually my first time trying everything here. Like I'm trying everything with you right now. There's this no way it's gonna close. There's just no way it's gonna close. No, it's not closing. Sorry. I liked it, but it's not. It's not. Super sweaty right now. But I think it's nice. I think it's actually really, really cute. Okay, I like it, but it's just too... I can't breathe. Anyways, these leather leggings in this dark chocolate burgundy color. I have no idea how to explain it, but I love the color and love this top. This leggings has like this open slip right here, and I'm just looking there because I can't see it from there. Anyway, I love this one. I just love the zipper here. It's cute. I would style it so many different ways, and I got it in a size small. I probably could take a medium or whatever it is,
Audio.
but no, I think it's fine, and it's $35.90. This top is $49.90, so $50 for this top. What do you think? Should I keep it? I mean, $50 for this top? Really? You know what? I can't do it. It's almost nighttime and there's not enough light. I think I have to cut it for 2.